Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a walkthrough of room 5105, which is an ocean view room located at RIU Guanacaste in Costa Rica. The main hallways were pretty light, but our hallway to get into our room was pretty dark. I think the lights were set on a timer, and we were here during rainy season, so I mean it was pretty dark outside too a majority of the time when it was raining. So once you walk in, this is what the back of the door looks like. If you would like your room serviced, remember to put either the green or the red on the outside of your door handle. Are light switches located throughout, and then on the left hand side you do have your mini bar. All of this is complimentary because this is an all-inclusive resort. You have your coffee maker. Down here you have your mini fridge, which has sodas and water. All of this is complimentary as well. All right, so here's the bathroom. There are light switches located throughout. The shower was a little slippery getting in and out, so there are handles to hold on to, and you will need to hold on to them. Like, it's very interesting how it's situated. They give you two big towels, and the shower head is handheld. Well, it can be. You just have to kind of flip it. So, it is what it is. They do have shower gel in there too. You see the shower curtain, which I don't like, but here we are. It was fine. Everything worked. You have the double sinks. You have two towels. Also, side note, there is no light in the shower, so keep that in mind. It is a little dark in there. Also have one wall outlet in the bathroom as well as the blow dryer. Walking out the bathroom, on the left-hand side, you will see a very spacious closet. They do have hangers. There's an iron and an ironing board located in there as well, and the safe is located down below. There is also an extra blanket and a pillow located up top. You do have a pretty big mirror located right there. There's also a thermostat in the room. It is in Celsius, so you'll have to convert a little bit if you're not used to that. Also, I did realize that it switched on and off by itself randomly. So if you feel the room getting warmer, probably check that and just switch the little knob back to on. Don't know why it did that, but it did. You do have your side table. There's two switches. I believe one is for the fan, one is for the lamp. There is no wall outlet to charge on this side of the bed, but there is one on the opposite side. So make sure that you bring enough portable chargers if you have multiple items to charge. If you would like your sheets changed out, you would put this card on the bed. As you can see, this comforter set is older. Like, there's snags on it. But I mean, it was clean, and to us, it is what it is. We knew what to expect when we booked this resort. We weren't expecting luxury. Luxury you can find at the Palace next door, but not here. So know what you're paying for and know what you're getting yourself into, because this by any means is far from modern, renovated, but again, it's clean. With that, and with it not being modern, you do need physical keys to get into your room. You don't have a key card, you have actual keys. They also give you two towel cards, so just keep that in mind and don't lose those because they will charge you. On this side, you have another side table. There's a wall outlet located right there, a lamp, the phone, and a TV guide. All right, now to open this balcony door, there is a latch on the side, and so you just have to kind of pull that down or pull it up to lock and unlock it. But this was our favorite part of the entire room. This made everything worth it, was the view. So you can see the ocean and then you can see the mountains on both sides. It was absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, it did rain a majority of the time that we were here. So we came end of June 2024, and that is considered rainy season. So keep that in mind when you are booking. But when the sun came out, it was really pretty, really gorgeous. Hands down, our favorite part about this room. The balcony was pretty spacious, so they had the 2 chairs, a table, and a drying rack. Inside the room was also very spacious as well. So overall, we had no complaints necessarily about the room because everything was clean, everything worked. Now it's not luxurious, it's not as modern as we're used to, but it did the trick in terms of having everything that we needed. Maybe not everything we wanted, but again, we mainly just needed the room to sleep. Our whole point of this trip was to be outside of the resort and to check out other things. So excursions are coming up, as well as the resort walkthrough. Make sure that you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video.